Hello everyone. Today I will tell you a few nuts and dry fruits. There are a lot of them, but I will only tell you a few we usually eat, not every day, often eat. So I have written down already to make it really short because if I will write down one and then tell you in Punjabi, the lesson would be very long. So I will tell you one by one, and I will tell you in Punjabi twice at least so that you can get the sound. The first one, nuts, dry fruit, we call it KHAAJAA. We don't have to use this word, but we call uh, dry fruits in Punjabi was still nice to know. Someone talking about nuts or dry fruit, we call KHAAJAA. First one is walnuts. Walnuts in Punjabi language we call akhrot. Akhrot. Almonds, badam. We call it badam. Pine nuts. We call it newsy. Newsy. Some people slang will they say neje. So if someone say neje or newsy, it's the same thing. And cashews, we call it kaju. Look at the mistake I made. I written down in Punjabi language. I can write down here. Kaju, cashew. Raisins, kishmish, or soggy. Most of the people who live in big towns they call kishmish. In India and Pakistan, some people they are from countryside, they call it soggy. The word is not really same because when we pronounce it kishmish and soggy, totally different. That's what they say. So if someone say kishmish or soggy, it's the same thing. Dates, khajur. Dates are called khajur in Punjabi. Peanuts, very common, peanuts. Most of the people keep it at home. Moongfali, moongfali. Apricots, in Punjabi we call kurmani. Apricots, we call it kurmani. I will try to make these lessons on different things. For example, we already made on months and the numbers and the time because there's so much to learn. I will try to make different lessons on different things. For example, fruits, then we can make, for example, drinks, weather, I think we already did. Something like that. We'll try to make groups and then open sentences, phrases. My main concern here to teach you as much as possible, but you really have to learn from the books and do your homework. I hope you enjoy these lessons, and I will make some more in a few days. I hope you enjoy it. Please try to learn, and remember me when you speak that you learn from me. Have a nice day. God bless you.